How to make money as a blogger in 2023. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money as a blogger in 2023. Yes, it is still possible. You don't need a lot of money to start your own blog and start making money from it. All you need is some creativity, hustle, and a solid plan in place. By the end, you will be able to define your target audience, think about your ideal customer and their problems, and have all the skills you need to come up with a well-rounded business strategy. If you have any questions for the blogger, then leave them down below in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe because every week we release new videos that teach you how to become an expert at something. How to make money blogging in 2023. Number 1. Promote products via affiliate marketing. Let's start with one of the biggest money makers for bloggers that regular people often aren't familiar with: affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you get paid for linking or otherwise recommending products or services if someone purchases a product as a result of clicking from your site. When someone buys after visiting from your site, you'll get either a percentage or flat rate commission. For example, you could write a product review blog post and get paid if someone buys as a result of your review. Number 2. Use Google AdSense ads. I'm giving Google AdSense its own category because it's one of the most popular and easiest ways to start monetizing your blog. I'm guessing you're familiar with what AdSense ads look like. To get such ads on your site, all you need to do is sign up for AdSense and click the ad code to your site. Then, Google will serve up ads that are relevant to your content and your visitors. And you'll get paid if someone clicks on your ad, known as cost per click, or even if someone just views your ad, known as cost per impression. Number 3. Accept sponsored posts from companies. Did you know that there are tons of companies who will pay you money just for writing a post about them? Such posts are called sponsored posts. And if your blog gets decent traffic, plenty of companies will pay for the privilege of sponsoring a post. This might be one of your main strategies on your way to learning how to make money with a blog. One way to find sponsors for your posts is to use a network like Tap Influence. But honestly, the best way to attract such opportunities is to create a page on your own site advertising your traffic and rates for sponsored posts. That way, advertisers can find you. And trust me, sponsors are always looking for opportunities. Number 4. Sell ads directly to advertisers. AdSense and other display ad networks find ads for you so that you can find out how to make money with a blog without needing to lift a finger. But in return, they do take a cut of what advertisers pay you. So one way to potentially make more money and have more control over the ads on your site is to cut out the middleman. That is, directly sell ads to advertisers. Like sponsored posts, the best way to attract these opportunities is to create an advertise page on your site that lists details about your traffic, including Google Analytics screenshots. But you can also try proactively reaching out to companies in your niche. And once you get some ads, there are plenty of WordPress plugins that can help you manage them. Some good ones are AdRotate and Ads Pro plugin. Number 5. Sell a digital product like an eBook. Speaking of cutting out the middleman, instead of relying solely on affiliate marketing to sell other people's products, you can create your own digital product that you sell to your audience. While it does take some upfront work, this is actually a fairly popular way to make money from your blog. Try to think of a product you could create based on the topic of your blog. Then market that product to your readers. Number 6. Become a freelance blogger. If you already enjoy blogging, you can actually use your own blog as one big advertisement to attract clients willing to pay you to blog. This is actually a pretty solid way to make a living. It's what I do, and it's pretty popular in some blogging niches. The best way to do this? Create a Hire Me page. Then if someone likes your writing, they know exactly how to get in contact with you. Number 7. Create an eCourse. Similar to creating a digital product like an eBook, launching your own eCourse is another popular method of monetizing a blog. Again, think of what you're an expert at and offer up a course to your readers. Or you can always create a Udemy course based on your blog content and earn money that way. I hope you guys surely liked and enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.